Hi guys, in your Nissan Sentra you can open the driver's window remotely by using the key fob. For this you need to press the unlock button, press and hold. And you will see that the driver's window will open. So when you release the button it will stop. To keep going you have to press it again. And the window will open all the way. This is a great feature in case if you want to have some fresh air in the vehicle while camping, or if you are inside your house, for example.